Hey guys, welcome to my channel. So in this video, I'm going to set up a website, a mail server, a files, a Git server, a YouTube instance, and syncthing. And I'm going to start by complete basic, how to set up an instance, how to set up a Namecheap record. And all of this is just in one video. Okay, so this is going to be one of the best tutorial video ever created on YouTube, I'm assuming. So let's just get started and make a server. All right, so I'm just going to flex in this video, not going to explain a lot, but just I just want to use terminal. I was not using terminal for very long. So let's just set up a instance. So the cheapest is cloud compute, and let's choose the regular performance because it's the cheapest. Mumbai is closer to me, Debian, and again the cheapest. And then if you guys watch this video, you might find something useful. All right, so let's call this server sexy and deploy now. Okay, so because there are so much I'm telling in this video, you might find something. Okay, I closed that window. So you might find something useful and learn. I'm 100% sure if you watch this video, you are going to learn something new. So this is going to take some time. And by the way, in case if you don't know, I am going to set up a YouTube instance, and that YouTube instance is YT local. Okay, so it looks something like this, and I'm going to show you like how to do almost everything. Okay, everything I have on a server, I'm going to do it because recently I switched from FreeBSD to Debian, and I did all of this on my server, and I realized it took me around 40 minutes only. So I'm like, okay, I can record just a video. Instead of making separate video, I can just make one video showing you all these things. So it's going to take some time, and meanwhile let me tell you that you have to make a Namecheap or any domain registrar account. And I have this domain bareilly.com for some reason, so I'm going to use that. Right now I have no records, but when the server get created, it will give me one IPv4 address and one IPv6 address. So I'm going to create a record and another record, which is uh, 4A. So this is for IPv6, this is for IPv4, and I'm also going to create a CNAME record for all the subdomains. Subdomains mean something like something like this. All right, wait, so something like wits.bookstrider.com. So wits dot is a subdomain. And I'm also going to set up a file server. So like if you don't like Google Drive, I'll teach you like how you can host your files on your server. So this is the stuff which we need, the IP address. So let's just move quick because I want to keep this tutorial short. Like I don't want, otherwise let's just do it quick. Let's just speed run this. Okay, this is not a tutorial now, this is just a speed run. Okay, so let's put asterisk. And usually I don't put asterisk, I find it a bad practice. All right, so it's vasai.com. So the asterisk means every subdomain, but the issue is if someday you decided to make another instance, then you might have problem. All right, so this is going to take some time, the DNS propagation, like whatever. All right, so meanwhile I'm just going to log in by using IP address. Okay, so root @ and let's just copy the password. Oh wait, oh, you can see the password now. All right, let me change it now. All right, so let me type a new password and quickly install ZSH. Okay, so Git first. They don't provide Git in Debian. Debian is minimal in comparison to Ubuntu. And let me install not Nginx, ZSH. All right, so I work with ZSH, so let me install OMIZSH. It's much easier to use OMIZSH instead of setting up your own things. So I'm pretty sure you might learn something new while watching this video. Okay, so let me just quickly change my ZSHRC. I don't like this theme, it doesn't show me the directory, and change it to LNP body, which is my favorite. All right, so this is the LNP body, but I have to do some hacking in LNP body. So let me just go in my ZSH themes, open LNP body, and change this prompt a little. Okay, so this is something I always do with LNP body in order to make it look better on my computer. So I use 5 also, it looks better in my computer, but I don't know how it looks in other computer. So yeah, this is better. root at sexy. All right, so let's move on and let's install. Wait a second, let's just first check our, let's just ping basai.com and see the DNS situation. All right, so I think the IPv6 address is correct. Yeah, so instead of using now IP address, we can use basai.com. So I'm not going to edit this video, by the way, zero editing video. And so I just entered wrong password, right? Oh fuck, I want to do it quick and I can't edit and I'm doing mistake already. So let me install a Nginx in order to make a website. So let's start with website. Okay, install Nginx. All right, so Nginx is getting installed and we are going to use landchat.net a lot in this video, okay, for some reasons. So landchat.net is a website which gives us, we have to open port, by the way. So landchat.net is a website which guides through some self-hosting tips. All right, so that's what we are going to use today in this video. So basai.com, I don't know why it's not working. The port is on, Nginx is on. Systemctl start Nginx. It looks like the port is not on, but port is on, or maybe some other issue. So let's just do some other stuff. Like why it's not working? UFW allow 80. All right, basai.com. I think the ping. Let me ping basai.com and check. Yeah, the domain is correct. Like this thing is correct. Let me open incognito private window because. All right, so yeah, it's working here. So I think it happened because previously I opened basai.com in my I deleted one instance. Okay, so whatever, let's just forget about that. So let me try again from here. All right, it's still giving me issue, but it's working on private window. So let's just stick with private window, and we don't need anything right now. Like we need Namecheap later. Here I don't think we need anything right now. All right, so let's get started. All right, so we have like a website, but this is just Nginx default page. We have to do a lot, guys. We have to do a lot. So var www, let's change this HTML directory to site, and let's go to our configuration of this thing. Let's change it from default to site, and let me delete the site enabled default. Okay, let's open this. Oh man, I hate deleting comments like this. I know I can do something like said replace this like get start with like whatever starts with hashtag and then everything with nothing and then site. Oh wow, it doesn't work like this. I mean, it worked, I guess, but whatever. Let's just quick let's just not do anything fancy and just delete everything. I don't know how to use them. I can do this in Max, but very easily. See guys, I'm still a noob. Okay, so I am actually a noob. All right, so let me just change few things here. Let's change this server name to basai.com because I want like every time somebody type basai.com, I want this page to pop up, so our site to pop up. Okay, so this default server, let it be. So systemctl restart Nginx, and oh, it's saying unable to connect. This is so bad. So oh, I know, because we forget to create a link, site available, site to etc Nginx site enabled. Okay, now systemctl restart Nginx and it's working. Now instead of this ugly looking Nginx page, I mean actually it's looking good. Okay, so let's just go and delete this. Okay, and create a new page with my website. Okay, this is my website. All right, and let's go to the end and index.html. Okay, so this is my website. So we have a website now. All right, we did one thing. in all like in our list we end up doing one thing. So let me go var www again and create a directory data, and here just put some website, like some file.txt. So now what we are going to do, we are going to create a data server, like something like G for us. Okay, so etc nginx site available. I think I should change wallpapers in middle, you know. Should I change wallpapers in middle? Let's just change some wallpapers so you guys don't get bored. All right, yeah, this is better now. So I don't know, every time I change my wallpaper, actually I use st. I'm going to move to Alacrity soon. One of my neighbor is forcing me for doing this, so because st sucks in sometimes. All right, okay. All right, so let's just set up a SSH too, so I don't have to type password every time I, just try to log in. Let's do it later, but let's just go to site available and open LAN chat for a second. So now we are going to set up a, something like this. Let me show you so you guys get better. Data.bookswriter.com. So something like this, where you can have your files and you can access it from anywhere. All right, so let's just go to where, like, nginx server. Let's just quickly copy this and let's create data set base, paste this, and here let's type data. Here let's type data.vasai.com. Here I don't need anything. Here I have to, I think, auto index on. Okay, I think this is it. And now if I do system, wait, ln-s etc nginx site available and data to etc nginx site enable and system secure restart nginx. Okay, so if I go to data.vasai.com, let's just hope we get that file. All right, so we got that file.txt. Okay, now I want everything to be https because we are working with data here. So let's just go to link chat again, and I always forget that package, so we have to use certbot. So let me just install this thing quickly, and once we have that, we can just type certbot --nginx. Now you can also create standalone certificate where you can, if you don't like any program to tinker with your configurations. All right, but we are going to use this --nginx and let certbot do everything. Okay, so we are going to create certificate for basai.com and data.basai.com. Do y in all these previous things, and I think that's it. So if I refresh this thing again, all right, so our port is not open. So when you use HTTPS, you have to open port number 443. So so right now you can see we are having HTTPS everywhere. All right, so we are making progress, guys. I think I should move with the mail server now because that's the most critical thing. And but before that, I think this is not complete. All right, you don't want anybody to just access your data. I have my, like, in my server I have a password, so you can't access it. So I have to have some password here too. So create htaccess file. So in order to get the password, we have to create a htaccess file. So let's just call the user pro and the password something. Okay, I type my name, house of dead. All right, so generate a ht.password file. Let's just copy this and just go to etc nginx, and I use website, by the way. This is so, like, you might don't like this thing. I use a website to generate a htaccess file, but sometimes you forget some commands and you just do whatever you find the best. So we have a htaccess file now here somewhere in nginx directory. So where it is, by the way? Oh, it's All right, it's a hidden file. All right, so it's .htx access site available. Go to data. All right, so as you can see, certbot created a lot of mess here. So this is what I was talking about. So we have to type something like restricted user. I don't know actually what to type, so let me just quickly search how to put password nginx route. Let's just look at some links. So I think there is the directive is all right, auth basic restricted access. So this is what you need. Um, Let me just quickly put it, and I think my htaccess file path is not this, so let me change it to this. All right, so now if I do systemctl restart nginx. So I'm not editing this video, guys, by the way. All right, let me refresh. Now it's asking for a password. So I typed wrong password or something. Oh man, let me change my htaccess file quickly. I think I mistyped password somewhere. House of Dead. Oh wait, am I doing something wrong? Let me try accessing again. Data dot row. Sync forbidden because of this. No. All right, we'll look later. All right, we will look through this later. I don't want to just get lost at one thing. So it must be some minor mistake. So let's just create a mail server now, and let me change my wallpaper again. So you guys don't get bored with one single wallpaper. All right, so a new start. So this is the most, I think, the hardest thing. I don't want to mess in this. Root at bareilly.com. We still don't have a SSH. This is not good. I think I should set up a SSH. My ID RSA public key. Just copy it and go to SSH and authorize key. Set paste and paste it. All right. Save it. And now if I try to SSH again, SSH, it's not going to ask for any password. So yeah, this is better. All right, we'll do this later. Okay, this issue. Let me remove this like OBS screen. So every time I do this, like it's a lot of confusion. Sorry for that. Let me try to do everything in just one window. Can I close this now? I think Basai is working now. I'm all right. It's working in my non-private window. So we have to use this email viz now. I don't know how long this video recording. Okay, whatever. So best tutorial ever created. So we have to set up an email viz, but before that, make sure you have a mail.basai.com. Now, since I am using this, so I already have, but keep this in mind. All right, so let's just run this. And by the way, this script is magic. It's like, it's so good. I was not using it for very long. I tried to set up postfix by my own, but I regretted. And this is the internet site. Let's just type mail name. Okay, so it's basai.com. I think let's just read some content here. I think I don't have to type mail dot. Yeah, this will work. Okay, so let's just press enter. I'm just hopeful. All right, I have to open these ports too. I remember one day I forgot that and it was so painful. Like my mail was not working. In case if your mail don't work in Vulture and you did everything correct, keep in mind to like just open these ports and also this port 25, and also you can open a ticket on Vulture because sometimes Vulture don't allow you to send mails and they block the port by default. But if you open a ticket and ask them, just tell them, I'm a kid, I want to do some kid stuff, so please open my port, and they usually open the port. Okay, So the script is working and it's good. All right. So yeah, so I was using FreeBSD. I was running mail server by my own, and it was so pain. But then, okay, what just happened? I don't know. Like does it, like, I don't know. Like I got some issue or something. Like the script should, was it successful or there was some error? I think there was some error. How can, like, in the end of the day, the script gives us some content, like, which we have to put in our vulture thing. Let's just run this script again. All right. Should we I think there is also one script which can delete everything which we don't want. So let's try that. Let's copy, like, this thing will delete everything. All right, like all the mail server, everything. We can just run that, and then we can try to re we can try to, rerun the script, and this time we will look what is happening. All right. Debian server. I'm still not sure about this mail dot thing. You have to, let's allow these ports first. 993. These ports doesn't matter to the script, I remember that. All right, this video is going to be bad now. I don't want to stop recording after so much work, so let's just hope this works. System mail name. Okay, so the mail name is the domain name used to qualify or blah blah blah. Okay, all right, I think I'm doing the right thing. Let's just read reverse DNS entry on your site. Okay, we don't have a reverse DNS entry too, so let's just go to settings, and from here I think here we can just edit this reverse DNS. So reverse DNS means basically if you try to get the, just Google it, bareilly.com, reverse DNS. Mail.reverse.bareilly.com. Yeah. All right. So this reverse DNS is important. Okay. Let's just go to IPv6, and we can also just do this same thing for IPv6 add. All right, so we have a reverse DNS. We ran that script one time. I don't know what happened. We are trying to rerun the script, and let's just hope this works this time. So I'm still not sure about this system mail thing. Let's just hope for the best this time. All right, it's running. I don't want to ruin this video by failing at installing mail server from the script. Everything seems correct. It should get work. It should just work. Let's encrypt SSL certificate for you. I think this script do it automatically. Email with. All right, let's see. I don't want to edit this video. I want to keep it one video. All right, use let's encrypt certbot to get that and rerun it. Okay, there is some issue. All right, let's. Oh, okay. I was doing it wrong. Shit. I want to edit this video now. So what we have to do is we have to go to Nginx site available. You know what? I'm not going to make any mistake now. Let's just do it. Okay, let's just go to landshed.net and go to Nginx. Let's just copy this thing. All right, mail, set paste, and okay, so this is just going to be a fake website, right? Unable to save. ln-s etc site available, mail etc Nginx site enabled, systemctl restart nginx mail.bussai.com. All right, so we got a fake website now. Now what we can do is we can just run, oh, certbot nginx. Okay, so we need certificates. All of this is just for some stupid fake certificate, and even the website is not correct, I think. That's why I like standalone certificate. I mean, Dave Smith was a noob, as because he did it. I mean, I understand why he did this, but he should have learned how to create a standalone certificate. Basai.com. Okay, so systemctl restart nginx. Okay. All right. So now, if I type mail.basai.com, it should, yeah, it's working now. Certbot nginx. So we got this third. So we are just making certificates for mail.basai.com. So, our mail, that script can use it for, postfix and all this. So yeah, that was pretty stupid. I think I should edit this video now. No, I don't want to edit. God damn it. All right, so this time it will work. I'm pretty hopeful. Yeah, it just worked. And we got some content here, which I have to, uh, like put in my Namecheap, okay, to make mail server work. This is a terrible expression. I know about this already. Okay, so we have to make some text record. Host, and what was the value? This is the value. So this is pasted. All right, so by the way, for these, like if you want to do it, okay, there are videos by Leak Smith regarding how to set up a mail server. I'll give some links in the description. I'm just doing a walkthrough, which you might learn something. You might, this might help you, and that's just my goal. All right, so let's just copy this. Also flexing. I mean, not really. Okay. No. I mean, it's not a big thing. Like, I can do all this. It's so quickly. No, no. I'm not a terminal god. I'm very noob at terminal. All right. So, what the fuck? Yeah. So I added all this. So now what else is remained? I think my mail server is now ready. It should work. Okay. We just have to test it. Where is that page? Okay. This is, oh, first we have to create a user for our mail. So user add -m -g. Let's call the user, we have to add it in the mail group, so call it pro. Okay, and password pro and house of it. Okay, it's based on dictionary word. All right, let me type a good password. Okay, so our user is created now. So what I can do is, by the way, recording is happening, right? I don't want to get heart attack tonight. All right, let me just delete my Thunderbird configurations and open my Thunderbird again. So let's just pro user, and let's just type the password pro@bussai.com. All right, so I entered the password, continue, and now this is not going to work. I'm pretty sure about it. Stop, configure manually, type mail. Let's do start. I don't know what is the port. Incoming server. No, incoming server. SMTP is outgoing. This is incoming. See, I know everything. All right, so username pro, and again mail.bussai.com. I've spent 5 days to set up a mail server in FreeBSD. It was so painful, and this script just works. What the fuck was wrong with me at the time? I mean, seriously, setting a mail server knowledge is, I don't think it's going to help. I should have learned machine learning or something else. Like, that was so stupid by me. I felt so stupid. All right, it worked down. Yes, the hardest thing is done. The mail server is working. I mean, we haven't tested it, right? But okay. So let me use my Gmail to test it. 6969. My friend created this email, guys. Seriously, don't judge me. Test email. I am pro. Send. So let's just open Gmail. If this doesn't work, we are just going to ignore it. Alright, it doesn't work. Undelivered mail. Why? Why? Okay, let's try to send. By the way, I got a lot of junk mails. pro@basai.com and test mail, basai testing. This thing should work, guys. This thing should work. I'm pretty hopeful. At least we should get email. We are not able to send for sure. I don't know why. Why the fuck? Okay, the port is not the issue. This is something I know for sure. Because the weight returned, I'm pretty sure port is not working. Message not delivered. It looks like nothing is working right now. Okay, so let's try to open port again. I am not sure about ports. Or maybe services is not running. No, it is running. It is running perfectly. I think Vulture trying to stop my mail server. I'm not sure. You have to allow. Let's just allow the, or maybe the records is still taking some time. I have no clue. Let's just open 25 too. I think 25 is okay, it's all already open, as you can see. So what can go wrong now? Maybe the text record is still taking some time. Is it correct? I have no clue. I am just, we'll test it later. Okay, if something doesn't work, we will look later. So again, test again, send. The second, I think this is going to get fail again. Oh wow, it's working. Fuck, I'm such a pro, guys. All right, let's just try to get it. So yeah, I was correct. You know, the DNS, it was just some DNS. Why I'm sending it to myself? It's pro@basai.com test. All right, let's just send it. Come on, guys, come on. Yes, self-hosting, guys. I love self-host. I should also set up a Teddit server, by the way. Teddit is something I use all the time. By the way, I'm not able to receive email. Like this is a big problem. Like I want to, like, receiving email is always more important than sending. So yeah, message not delivered. Your message couldn't be delivered to because remote server is misconfigured. See technical details flow. Relay access denied. Okay, let's just see postfix for a second. Starting postfix. I mean, there is var log for mail. Maybe I can find something from here. Removed. Is it because of the user or there is something wrong, like permissions or something? I don't think that's the case, but I'm just hoping that's not the case. Let's just do home pro mail. See, everything is in place, everything is working. I don't know why I'm not able to receive email. Let's try sending it again. Where is my Gmail? Yeah, compose pro@basai.com. Oh, please walk. All right, send. So let's see the we have this running. All right, I'm unable to see anything right now. Okay, we'll see this later. Okay, let's just move on, guys. The life, like everybody get issues in life, but the important thing is we should just move on. I will find some fix. I promise you. One day I'll come back, make another video with a solution. So let's change the wallpaper. All right. So why the fuck this is not working? It's so sad. Like usually it just works, but today it's not. See, message could not be delivered. Okay, what was the port which allow us to receive the message? 997. Am I messing up with some port? Is this misconfiguration of the script? Whatever. I don't care now. I'll do later. I'll make a video about it. I'll teach you again. Make a detailed video. Alright, so recording is happening, guys. Alright, so SSH root pasai, and I'm again in my server. So what's next? I think it's YT local. So we have to set up YT local now. So it's git dot sr.ht. So this is one of my favorite program, by the way. These days it's one of my favorite programs. So for this we have to install python 3 dev or vn, I guess. Yeah. So should I run it in root? Now this is not a good practice. Usually what I suggest is just switch to some user like this user pro, but I'm going to do it in root. Okay, so but you guys don't have to, just switch to some user. Okay, so git clone depth 1 and then clone the YT local. I think I have to remove this. Okay, by the way, after YT local, what else is there? I think everything is done. Like, okay, mail server is done. Oh, syncthing. Yeah, we'll do syncthing too. Okay, so yeah, so we have to create a virtual env vn, and when we have environment created, we have to install. Now I don't know we have pip or not. We have to install a requirement, like the list of requirements. So installing YT local is very simple, guys. Okay, so by the way, I haven't. Okay, yeah, it's fine. All right, so now if I type python3 server.py, it's going to work. All right, it's going to work as char. So I'm going to make a systemd service of it now. etc systemd system. All right, in order to create a systemd service, let me just copy sshd.service to ytlocal.service. Open ytlocal.service and YT local, my personal YouTube. So it's hard to see, I know. Documentation, let's just give the let's just type git.sr.ht hackiel and then YT local. Okay, after remove it everything else, remove it. Let's just remove everything. Okay, kill mode, remove it. I think everything needs to get removed now. Exec start or exec. I think exec is the main thing. Exec reload. So here we have to type root yt local n bin python 3 or just python, and then root and then yt local server.py. Okay, and we just have to copy this here. All right, after this let's just save this and type systemd systemctl daemon reload. So we are just making a service. All right, so deactivate this, type systemctl start yt local. All right, so let's just see the status. Is it working? It looks like it's working. Yeah, so now what we have to do is we have to create an nginx for it, proxy. Okay, so this is how we make proxy. So again, go to my voice is breaking. Let's go to lenchat.net to copy our nginx code for making a proxy. It's very simple to make a proxy. Okay, we have to type widths, let's call it widths. Okay, set base, and server is going to be widths.bareilly.com, and this thing doesn't matter, let's just ignore it. Let's add a proxy pass, and the port of YT local is I have no clue. Port, I mean this is the port. Okay, so it's 127.0.0.1, and that's it. All right, so this is it, the proxy is done. ln -s etc nginx site available with etc nginx site enabled. All right, so systemctl restart nginx and go to wits.basite.com, and let's see, we are getting a bad gateway. Now that's an issue. Let's just see the systemctl status. YT local, is the port correct? Oh, the port is not open, I guess. But does it matter? Does it matter? Maybe. Okay, this is a serious issue, I guess. So let's just close this service, systemctl stop. I failed at mail server, and now I'm going to fail at setting up this thing too. This is so sad. All right, let's go to YT local, and let's just set run server.py. All right. Okay, we have to source and bin activate python 3 server.py. We don't have to type python 3. All right, this thing is working, or the port is this. I think I added a wrong port in my nginx. What the fuck? Why okay, I forgot the port. What the fuck? Shit, let's just go back. Oh god, I have to type everything. Oh, they have to tell me the right port, right? Where is that git repo? Okay, shit, I was looking at, okay, this is the correct port. I'm an idiot, guys. Okay, oh, it's etc nginx site available with can't type. Okay, oh, i I am truly an idiot. I was typing the same thing again. It was 9010. I'm pretty sure that. All right, so systemctl start YT local, systemctl restart nginx. Restart nginx. Restart basai.com. All right, so our YouTube is working. Okay, works right. Now there is one issue that here in subscription, anybody can, open your YouTube and, click on subscription. So we are going to have some passwords here too. Okay, so etc. Now I use this YouTube on my mobile. I made a shortcut to this link on my home screen, and this just works so well. Like, I can't tell you how well this works. I am in love with this. Okay, I'm loving it. So this thing have some issues, but it just works. Like, even though it have some minor issues, but still it just works. Okay, systemctl restart nginx. Now if I try to access it, it's going to ask for password. And why it's saying forbidden? Because I typed wrong password. I'm pretty sure that that is the only logical explanation there. Or maybe some other issues. I mean, I'm pretty sure that's the only issue. Or maybe I forgot the password, to be honest. Like, this can happen. Yeah, I think I forgot the password. But oh, no. I think this issue was at data.basai.com too. I think I know why this is happening. There is something wrong with my htaccess file, I believe. Like, there have to be some issue here. But I'm pretty sure. You know what? Let me just SSH into my server and copy my htaccess file. All right. htaccess. Okay. So let me just do scp htaccess to root at basai.com at etc nginx. Okay, and let me delete my htaccess from here. etc nginx, yes, password. Okay, so now we have a proper htaccess file. I don't know how to create a htaccess file. You can just look this up, and let me open wits again. Let me double check the path. etc nginx htaccess. Yeah, so now if I try to, I don't know how, okay, why I'm typing my website, it's.basai.com. All right, now it's fine. What? Okay, it's keep telling me forbidden. So I think it's happening after I put the password. So I have no clue what the fuck is happening. Restricted access auth basic user. We will, there are a few, let me just type all the issues. Okay, so mail not receiving, and htaccess password not working, and that's your homework. Just type in the comment like why it's not working. And what else? We have to set up a mumble server. I'm not sure I told you this or not. Okay, so deactivate, and we also have to run certbot first, nginx. So we have to run certbot on this thing. Let's so after that we are going to set up a mumble server. Setting up a mumble server is very easy, but first change the wallpaper. Okay, what the fuck? How can we work with same wallpaper like for hours like this? This is impossible. Okay, so should I set up this? No. Let's just put something easy. Yeah. Open terminal again. I have to use electricity. Why I'm SSHing into my server, basai.com. So it's time for now mumble server. Okay, I'm just waiting. I just want to, right. I thought like this is going to happen quickly. Fuck Debian, fuck Ubuntu. Arch is the best. Alright, so mumble server is done. Yes, guys, it was very easy. Wait a second, what is mumble's default port? Mumble default port. You just have to install like mumble, and mumble server is done. Actually, I was wrong. I did a mistake. It was mumble server. What the fuck? I installed the wrong thing. Remove mumble. Shit, guys. By the way, this is an unedited video. Okay, this is the best tutorial ever created on YouTube. I want you to just keep this in mind. You are witnessing the, I think, alright, this is not live, so you're not witnessing anything. So the mumble server is installed. I think I should type auto remove because stupid apt. Alright, so after you have mumble server, you just have to open the port usw allow, and now I can just open my mumble, and I can just add a new connection, basai.com, username test, label basai.com, and yes. All right, so as you can see, mumble is working. This is so cool. Okay, so you can just have a party here. I'll delete this instance after this video, so you can't have party. Sorry guys. You can have party in my server, by the way, but I'll put some password later. Okay, so all right, I'm pretty afraid if I forgot something on our website done, and mail server done, file server done. There are some issues. We'll later, guys, later. YouTube done, mumble done. Is there syncthing? Let's do syncthing. Okay, let's change wallpaper, guys, so I can do syncthing. What? I think every wallpaper is just now. Let's just put this. Okay, so SSH root at Now syncthing is a very nice tool. I just love syncthing, and installing it is also very simple. You just have to open port, syncthing port, syncthing port. I think syncthing have lots of ports, so we will see that. Wait, you can do this. I don't know. I'm not sure about it. Let's see the list of ports. Where is the list of port, guys? This is a port. Okay. Alright, these are the ports. I think I can just work. You have to allow this. You have to allow these. This. Okay. This is search again. Same thing. Port list. Okay, these four. GUI listen. What are the ports? You can use port number. Okay, there are a lot of ports to open in syncthing. This is not like, I don't like this. What is the syncthing GUI default port? I have no clue. Let's just see the Arch wiki of syncthing. Syncthing Arch wiki. I'm pretty sure Arch wiki will tell me the ports. Listen address port. Let's just open everything. Listen address port. What is this? What is the default port for GUI? Like, I'm not sure about it. Let's just install it. Like, no, wait. Let's just do it. Let's just like guess the default. Okay, this is 8384. I think it doesn't matter because we are going to have a proxy. Or wait, we are not going to have any proxy. Fuck it. Alright. Systemctl start syncthing. I think you don't have to do this. You just have to type syncthing. No sir, man syncthing, or help syncthing. Help is correct, I guess. We have to make a systemd service of syncthing. Yes, we have to do this, guys. I don't want to do this. I'm tired now. Syncthing is a pain. No, actually it's a good tool. Like, I am in love with syncthing. So let me just SSH into my server to just see the proxy of syncthing. Sync. Okay. It's a very simple proxy. But how I'm running this? So I have to look into my system, this etc system, and system, and then syncthing. This is the exec command. So let me just scp this thing. I don't want to type. I'm just going to. Oh, okay, guys. Sorry. I should just. It was a mistake. etc system. What else? Like systemd, right? Systemd. I'm not sure. Okay, I can just look here. What the fuck? All right. So that's it. So systemctl daemon reload, and if I run systemctl start syncthing, syncthing is running. I'm hopeful. Okay, it failed. What the fuck? Syncthing, no process. I just installed syncthing. Did I forgot to install syncthing? Syncthing, I have syncthing installed. Then why it's saying there is no process like syncthing? This is not good. No such process. User bin syncthing, no such process. Fail to determine user credentials. Oh, I got it. Because in my systemd service, if I go to system and open syncthing, I am using a user. Okay. But actually, I don't really need a user here. So I don't run programs by root. This is a big mistake. This is quite like you're a stupid person if you're doing this, because more program you run, if the program have vulnerability, anybody can get your user root access. So please don't do it. Okay, I'm doing it in this tutorial, just, you know. All right, so systemctl daemon reload, systemctl start syncthing. Okay, and I am not getting running, like my space is okay. I have space, that's good. I just realized like my computer have less space, and what happened like if I accidentally fuck up. Home not defined. Oh, I think it's not good idea to run syncthing as like as root. Okay, so syncthing user pro group pro. Let's do this. We can use pro anytime. Systemctl daemon reload, systemctl start syncing. So after this video, nobody is going to tell me to continue that self-hosting playlist, because I just showed you everything in this one video. Let's just open all these ports, for okay, why it's taking so much time. So our syncthing is running, but we have to create an nginx proxy for it. So let's just quickly do this. Site have label sync. Let's just go to lenchat again, copy this code. That's the only reason I use lenchat. Okay, so oh wait, do we have to do this, or I can just type, wait, no, I have to do this, right? Wait, do I? Yes, I have to. Okay, all right, so here we have to type a proxy pass for syncing. What was the domain for the web UI? 8384. Okay, this thing just got stick to my head. 8384. All right, guys, so I'm pretty close on website.com. So the end is near. Syncthing is about to get installed. If you're still watching this video, this is so weird. Like, what the fuck is wrong with you? Like, there is nothing you are going to learn in this video. This is just a stupid video. I have no clue why I recorded this. I mean, alright. So I just made a link of syncthing. Now I can just systemctl restart nginx and type sync.website.com. So I have to password protect this too. So by the way, syncthing is running. You can see data.syncthing.net. No, I don't want to send anything anonymously. So yeah, syncthing is running. Now I can use my computer to send data over, my server. But this is not HTTPS. That's one issue. What we can do is we can go to advanced, not advanced, close. Oh my God, advanced setting. I just get afraid of it. So use HTTPS for GUI. Let's tick. We can tick on this. No. Yes. No. Okay. Yes. Let me just look into my SSH root boxwriter.com. I just want to confirm one thing, like, do I have HTTPS from certbot? Yes, I do have. So certbot nginx, and let's just make just type 4. What the fuck, I accidentally typed a /. Okay, so now our sync thing is going to be HTTPS. I don't know why we get this weird thing all the time. Okay, now if I do refresh, this is HTTPS, and I can also put a password. So putting password is very important, and I don't use htaccess. What I do use is in GUI. I can just type like pro and test pass or house of it. All right, save. Connection error. but this time it's going to ask for password. Row house of dead. Okay, this is weird. Why we are, if I try to open this from website.com. Alright, row of dead. Yeah, syncing is working. We have a password. So this is the first time the password worked correctly. The password, I don't know why password is not working. Like, for let's just fix one issue at least. Like, we can fix something, right? So data.basai.com, it's saying forbidden. So I know why this is happening. I might have like site available, and let's just go to var www and go to data. I don't know, like, I have no clue. Like ls-l. Is it because some permission issues? But oh, I know. I've wow, like, it's because my htaccess file have wrong permission. I'm pretty sure. Yeah, that's the issue. I think this is the issue. So permissions of htaccess file. So by the way, this is like, this is a unedited video, okay? It's not like I'm taking any kind of help here. I don't even have any other laptop running, which is totally normal. Like, okay, so let's just, I don't know. Okay, I I I have no clue like why I even recorded this video, to be honest. Like, this is just this was just painful. Okay, this thing got recorded. Let's just delete everything. Okay, guys, this was a terrible waste of time. We had a lot of issues. I don't know why. I might upload this video because I put so much effort in it. But that's it, guys. I'm done. I was in bad mood, to be honest, at the start of the video. I just wanted to do something to just keep, just spend some time away from thinking. Alright, so that's it. That's the video. I'm pretty sure like Vulture is going to delete that server. Let's just change wallpaper for last time. Something. So I hope you learned something. Actually not. I will in future make some better videos. Also, one last update. My channel have only one strike now. Yes. So though, for those who don't know, like, my channel had 2 strikes and I was very near. You know what? I had 2 strikes. My one strike was about to end at 14 November. Okay. So after 14 November, I had 1 strike, and then YouTube sent another strike on my last video, which was just a very simple video. Okay, nothing wrong in that. So I did an appeal, and then YouTube was like, oh, we did mistake. What if they did this mistake before 14? My channel, you know this could have hurt my channel very badly, like the end of Bug Spider's channel. But now it's the channel survived, so I might do some better work. Okay, so thanks for watching. See you in the next video.